Ciao beautiful people, happy Friday. Friday means one thing, Friday freebie, and today this is the bad boy that you are going to receive. It is very Italian inspired, very Mediterranean. It's full of lemons that we use to make limoncello. I love limoncello, but sometimes it gives me, because it's very alcoholic, it gives me like a bit of a buzz, but nice, no, very nice. So this, I have designed this page, so it's full of lemons. On the background, and I don't know if you can see on camera, there's some lavenders, that, and then there is a dot texture paper. So this is a layer of all different papers, and I really like the how this looks like. Now this one here, this page has been designed for my very popular kit called lavender and lemon. Now I'm not sure what you can see on the screen, but this is a very deep lilac, okay, but I can see on the screen that it is quite yellowy, but in real life it's not. It's very deep lilac. So you got, this is a mini kit, and I will put the link down below if you guys want to purchase it. So it's 4 pages. This is a mini. It's very cheap. It's £1.50. All my minis are £1.50, and you get a page full of tags. I printed twice. You see, I don't know what you can see, but it's a very deep bright yellow, and a contrast with some less deep yellow, and on the screen it looks grey. I mean, from what I can see on camera it looks grey, but it's not. It's yellow and lavender. So you got a really nice, quite shabby, but not so shabby because it's got that really deep orange yellow. Then you got another background, and again I can see grey in here, but it's yellow and lavender. And then a number 4, so another background full of lemon, oranges and lavender, and then there are some really nice teal flowers. So I'm hoping that the true, for some reason this camera has problems with yellow. I'm not entirely sure why. I don't know if it's something to do with the RGB colors. I'm not sure, but anyway, so that's my 4 pages kit, and this is what you guys get. Okay, so as usual I send out a couple of emails a week, sometimes once, sometimes twice, depending if I have to tell you something. So if I have to tell you something, I send them to one on a Wednesday, one on a Friday, but the Friday freebie gets sent every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. So as you watch this video, this, of course, the newsletter is gone out already. So if you wish to purchase is free. So if you wish to download this paper, go to my Facebook group. Okay, I'll show you in just a second where. But I send a newsletter every Friday, and I will put here on the screen what the newsletter looks like. There are the videos of the week, there is like a recap, there is the page showcase, there is always a cheeky discount code, there is a gift, there is quite a lot of things in that newsletter. Now, I get lots of questions about, oh Antonio, I don't receive my newsletter. Now, it could be for 3 reasons. One, when you typed into your email address, you made a mistake. 9 out of 10, when I send my newsletter, I always check the new contact submission, and I can see that you guys have spelled your email address wrong. So it's like hotmail.com with the N rather than the M. So just check that. Number 2, depends on your private setting of your email. My email, my newsletter email, can go into your junk or your spam email box. It's nothing to do with me. It's how is your privacy setting or your email address. Or number 3, if you register with my software, when a software I have used to send out my newsletter, if you're not engaged with my email, so if you don't open my email, the software will automatically delete your content because of poor engagement. Okay, so you need to make sure when I send an email, open it, because if you don't open it, eventually your contact will be deleted. It's not me being mean, it's the software. I don't touch it. I don't do anything. When you guys register, your contact, that's sent automatically. What I do, I design the email. I don't do anything with your contact. Okay, so there is a link down below if you wish to join my newsletter. So remember to join in, and I'll show you on my Facebook group where to find these. And there is a selection of over 300 freebies that I have shared in the last 3 years.
Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group. So once you're in, you scroll down, so you see all the posts from the lovely crafters. So this is post from Wendy that made a folio using some of my papers. That's my post about the Easter kit. Again, there's loads and loads and loads of creators that, oh, this is Julia, that she recently joined my VIP membership. Thank you, Julia. Again, all other crafters, they share the video tutorials and of course all my freebie. Okay, so it's a very, very interactive platform. I really recommend, if you guys are on Facebook, to join us, because you get tons and tons of ideas. So where do you find your my freebie? So if you click on files there, you see all the freebies that I have shared in date order. Okay, so from the most recent to the most old ones, and there is about 3 years worth of freebies. So come and join us there, and what you do is simply click in there and then download. Okay,
so little mini checklist: newsletter, tick, subscribed. Join my Facebook group, tick, subscribed, joined, because you can see that it's a very interactive platforms. There's a lots of crafters sharing their projects as well as mine, so it's a very, very interactive community, and we all learn from one another. That's what I love about it. Okay, so if you like my freebie, if you can click on that thumbs up and put a little thumbs up, that would be really appreciated, because you are telling YouTube that you like what I do. And when you do that, my video get pushed out, and you know, it helps with my journey here on YouTube. So makes my dream becomes true. Okay guys, I'm going to go, and I will see you on Monday for another special video. I got quite a lot of ideas for next week. Have a wonderful weekend. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed all my freebies, please give it a really big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. I will put 2 videos at the end of this one, so you can click and watch for more side ideas and inspiration. One, when we played with Ecoline, super fun inks, extremely fun and easy, especially for beginners. I've done a tutorial a couple of years ago, so I'll put the link at the end. And also what we made some paper flowers, little sort of like an origami tutorial, super easy and super fun to make. So keep watching guys, and until next week, stay safe and well, bye.